I now direct as follows. Number one, movements into and out of Mubende and the Kasanda districts is prohibited. Katibiri ebyokwegayirira tuviddeko ebyokunyonyola ebyokwegayirira ebyokusomesa kubanga kati ngenda kulwala obulago. I'm now going to develop a sore throat because of talking about trying to prevent people not to die. Imagine. Ndi wano negayirira munange tofa eno nfunda yokusatu negayirira. What sort of people are these? So now movements into and out of Mubende prohibited. Togezanga kufuluma okuva mu district ye Mubende oba okuyingira. If you are in Mubende, stay there now. Don't move. Out of. And if you want to go to Mubende, don't move into. Okay? That's number one now. Number two, movement from Kasanda to Mubende and vice versa is prohibited. So within mwena tubasibya ab'Mubende ne Kasanda tubasibiddeeyo. Tewaba ayingira, tewaba afuluma. But also within that area, Mubende Kasanda, nobody should move from Kasanda to Mubende or from Mubende to Kasanda. Buli omu asigale wali. There will be curfew in Mubende and Kasanda districts starting from 7 p.m. sawa muyekiro up to sawa 12 z'ekiro. Abazungu bagamba nti kumakya, bagamba nti sawa 12 makya. Abazungu ebyabwe munange. Naye ffe tugamba nti sawa 12 ez'ekiro before sawa emu ey'okumakya, kubanga amakya gatandika sawa emu. We the Africans count 12 hours of night and 12 hours of night. So we are now saying the whole night from hour number 1 of the night to hour number 12 of the night, tofuluma. You cannot kufuluma kuva mu nyumba kugenda mu kabuyonjo n'okomawo. Ate temugamba nti Museveni atuganye kugenda mu kabuyonjo. Tumumpayiriza. Abamu bagenda kumpayiriza nti Museveni agambye nti abantu tebagenda mu kabuyonjo. Ekyo sikigambye. Kyengambye kiri nti tova mu lujja lwo. Bwe ngamba nti tofuluma kitegeeza tova mu lujja lwo. Don't leave your compound. But if you are going from the house to the latrine, please, that's what I'm not stopping you. Because some people will say, Museveni has now said that you don't go to the latrine. I've not said that. But don't leave your compound. Don't leave your compound. And don't leave your district. That's what we're... No, but ekiro, you stay in your compound. In the night, you stay in your compound. Kumisana, you may move, but in your district. Not between your district and the other one. Number 4, movement of persons within their respective districts is allowed. That's what I was saying. Movement emisana during the day, not in the night. In your district, you can move. That means you move within Mubende if you are a Mubende East. You move within Kasanda if you are a Kasanda East. But not between Kasanda and Mubende and Kasanda. Number 5, public transport, private transport, and borders are not permitted to move in Mubende district, in Kasanda district. Buses, Bukamunye, the Kamunyes, taxis, borders don't move. Emotoka muziteke mu garage muzerabire. If the motoka is 4, public transport, basi, kamunye, taxi, border, no movement, either by day or by night. Why? Why do we do that? Because you are the ones who are collecting people and infecting them. You are the one saying, mujje musigana obulwadde. Abakunga abantu okubasiiga obulwadde yemmwe. Ate namwe ne mufiiramu. I wish I could know how many taxi drivers have died or how many borders. Next time you should analyze it and bring it out. Number 6, only cargo vehicles. Kubanga engeri gye tulwanamu entalo, tulwana mu ngeri y'amagezi nga bwe twalwana olwa korona. Mujjukira okwetika ebintu twakwawula okuva ku okwetika abantu, kubanga lumonde ye tasiiga korona oba ono Ebola kati gwe tuliko. Rumonde, the cargo doesn't infect as much as the people. The people who take disease are people to people. But Rumonde, mwogo wange we nabagamba bwe mwali mukaba emigaati y'abazungu, nembagamba nti mwogo wali nze gwe mbeerako mwogo. Mwogo akalonze sivaawo. So those ones don't take. They may, I think if you contact, you never know with contact, but not as much as. And if they are properly handled, they are not a problem. Handled, washed, and cooked. So only cargo vehicles working to fight under the Ministry of Health to fight Ebola, and authorized government vehicles and security vehicles are permitted to move, but shall not take people in or out of Mubende and Kasanda. Those vehicles of the government which are allowed to move, because they are vehicles of health workers or security or other vital government services, will not transport people. They just transport the officers involved. And then even the cargo vehicles should not attempt to take people. The security forces who are enforcing this, I will demand that they are given cameras, they are given either phones which can record, so that when they are impounding the vehicle, they record the scene so that we have proof that somebody was carrying people, was breaking the law in this way. And then we may have even to confiscate these vehicles. We may have to confiscate them. Okuziwamba government neziwamba nezitunda. I will check the law with the Attorney General to deal with the pandemic, with the epidemic. Serious punishment should be done. So therefore, number 6, only cargo vehicles, emotoka ezetise emigugu, ezetise ebintu, vehicles supporting the response, the ones fighting, the ones of the Ministry of Health and people working under them, and the ones of security and other government services are allowed to move in Kasanda district and Mubende district. Not between the two, but in. Number 7, because Mubende and Kasanda are on the heart of Uganda. It is like the center of Uganda. So we don't want to block people from Fort Portal, from Hoima, you of the camera, please, you leave me alone. When I yawn, he switches off. I'm not a theater goer. If I yawn, people know that I yawn. Toda mukonkore ebyo sibyetaaga ebyabayayi. Bakwita kukola ki okuyayo oko to yawn. Mbadde nyayo ya byobeeramu ebyo tebalina ebyomugaso bye bakola okuyayo musango ki? Please toddamu kukola ebyo w'amawulire mubeera muzakatemba zammwe. No substance, just yawning is health. That means I need some more oxygen. Is that not the science? Yes. Let me yawn and the car. Now, because of Mubende Kasanda being at the heart of Uganda, we don't want to block our people from Fort Portal and from Kagadi and from Hoima. So we come to number 7 now. And that's why we talk of transit vehicles, public and private, crossing through Mubende and Kasanda districts are permitted to move, but with police clearance, and shall not stop to pick or drop people. Oyita mbuyisi toyimirira totikula muntu batikwita kutikula totikula muntu toteeka mu muntu ate toyimirira genda Petro funa amara eri gy'ova. Get enough petrol where you are coming from and don't stop. Don't stop, just drive through. This is for public and private vehicles, all of them, coming from beyond or from Kampala towards Fort Portal. Don't stop. Don't drop anybody. Don't pick anybody. Just drive and continue. 8, cargo trucks with only a driver and 1 turnboy shall be allowed to deliver goods and may carry goods out of the district, but shall not carry passengers. Kati muwulidde olutalo lwaffe olulimu amagezi. Emmotoka ezeetisse ebintu walimu driver omu na turnboy omu can drop things, can load and offload things in Mubende, but not carry passengers. Number 9, all cargo shall be delivered to the districts of Mubende and Kasanda during the day. Ebyekiro tebiriwo. Cargo vehicles shall be required to leave by 5 p.m. and the operators will not sleep in any of the 2 districts. You come, drop, and go away by 5. Don't sleep there. Anyone who sleeps in the district shall remain there for 21 days. Bosaro okwebaka Mubende ne Kasanda, then we shall tugenda kusibirayo until the 21 days are finished. All places of worship are closed, should be closed. Number 12, schools should remain open and learners should be allowed to move when in school uniform, allowed to move when in school uniform. All bars, amabara gonna, places of entertainment, bibanda, bidandari, gyms, and saunas in Mubende, Kasanda district would be closed.